Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a timeless tale that proves a very important point. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. So gather around as we tell the story of the mighty lion and the tiny mouse. Deep in the heart of a vast jungle, a magnificent lion, the undisputed king of all beasts, was taking a nap under a shady tree. His powerful roars could make the entire jungle tremble, and all creatures respected and feared him. As he slept soundly, a little mouse, scurrying about his business, accidentally ran across the lion's nose. Woken from his slumber, the lion was furious. He let out a deafening roar and trapped the terrified mouse under his giant paw. "How dare you wake me?" he growled, his eyes flashing with anger. "I'll teach you a lesson for your disrespect." The little mouse trembled, his tiny heart pounding in his chest. "Oh, forgive me, great king," he squeaked. "I didn't mean to disturb you. Please let me go. I'm just a small, insignificant creature. If you spare my life, I promise I will repay your kindness one day." The lion let out a hearty laugh. The idea of this tiny mouse ever being able to help him, the mighty king of the jungle, was just too funny. "You help me?" the lion chuckled. "That's the most absurd thing I've ever heard." But the lion was in a surprisingly good mood after his nap, and the mouse's plea amused him. Feeling generous, he lifted his paw. "All right, little one," he said. "Off you go, but don't ever cross my path again." The grateful mouse scampered away as fast as his little legs could carry him, vowing to remember the lion's mercy. A few weeks later, the very same lion was prowling through the jungle when he stumbled into a trap set by hunters. A thick, heavy rope net fell over him, pulling him off his feet and pinning him to the ground. He thrashed and struggled with all his might, but the more he fought, the tighter the ropes became. He was completely trapped. Frightened and enraged, the lion let out a series of desperate roars that echoed throughout the jungle. His cries for help were filled with panic and despair. Many animals heard his roars, but they were too afraid to approach. They knew hunters were nearby and didn't want to get caught themselves. Just as the lion was about to give up all hope, a familiar little squeak came from nearby. It was the very same mouse the lion had spared. The mouse saw the king's terrible predicament and immediately remembered his promise. "Don't worry, your majesty," he squeaked. "I'm here to help you." The lion looked at the tiny mouse, his heart sinking. "What can you possibly do?" he moaned. "This net is too strong even for me." But the mouse didn't listen to his doubts. He climbed onto the net and began to gnaw at the thick ropes with his sharp little teeth. He chewed and chewed, one strand at a time. It was hard work, but he didn't stop. Slowly but surely, the ropes began to fray. After what felt like an eternity, one of the main ropes snapped, then another and another. Soon there was a hole big enough for the lion to squeeze through. With a final powerful heave, the lion broke free from the net. He stood tall, shaking the remaining ropes from his mane, and looked down at the tiny mouse who had saved him. He was no longer laughing. He was filled with gratitude and a newfound respect. "Thank you, my little friend," the lion said, his voice deep and sincere. "You saved my life. I was foolish to laugh at you. Today, you have taught me a valuable lesson, that even the smallest creature can perform the greatest of deeds. Mercy and kindness are never wasted." From that day on, the lion and the mouse became the most unlikely of friends. The story of their friendship spread throughout the jungle, reminding everyone that kindness is a strength, and that you never know when the person you help today might be the one who saves you tomorrow. And that's the wonderful story of the lion and the mouse. It's a powerful reminder that we should never underestimate anyone, and that a little bit of kindness can go a very long way. What did you think of the story? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.